Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to sync Obsidian with Google Drive. First of all, open your Obsidian Vault, and from here you have to click on Open Folder as Vault, and from here you have to select the folder that you want to use to sync or that you want to sync on your computer. And then all you have to do is head over to your Android phone and you have to search AutoSync for Google Drive on Google Play Store. Once you have found the application, you have to install the application, download it, and after it's installed you have to click on Open. From here you will see two options: connect to Google Drive. First of all, you have to connect to Google Drive by clicking on it and choose a Google account from the list. After choosing your Google account, it will take some time to connect to your Google account or Google Drive. Once you're connected, it will say that Google Drive connected, and then you have to choose the other option, choose what to sync. Click on it, and from here you have to create test folder pair. It will create a test folder pair. You have to wait, and then you have to click on OK, and then OK. Click on allow. From here you have to go to the synced folders. Click on this three-dotted button and click on edit. From here you have two options: remote folder in Google Drive and local folder in device. From remote folder you have to select the Google Drive. It is already selected by default, but you have to change this local folder in device. From here you have to click on internal storage, and from here you have to go up and you have to select the Obsidian folder from here. So you have to select the Obsidian folder here, and Google Drive is already selected. You have to click on save. And if you do all of these steps properly, then you can successfully sync Obsidian with Google Drive. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.